This is a final video to fix Ryujinx crashing when launching a game. Are you tired of opening Ryujinx only to have it close immediately? This usually happens because of missing files or incorrect settings that the emulator needs to run smoothly. Many guides online are long, confusing, and full of steps that make things worse. But I have a simple trick that works every time and gets your games running fast. It only takes a few clicks, and you don't need to change complicated settings. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix it. Comment below, and I'll show you the easiest way to stop Ryujinx from crashing. Make sure to follow Rexes for more fast and simple tech solutions.